Hey you guys, so starting out this tutorial, I'm taking the shade Swallow, which is kind of like a navy blue, and we are just placing that towards the front of the eye and gonna start our cut crease. Now I'm taking the shade Poison, which is more of a greenish navy blue, I would describe it as, and we're just gonna blend that out a little bit. Now going in with Military, which is a military green, we're just going to blend that out even further. Now I'm going in with Dominatrix, which is the brown in the palette, and we are just taking that on the outer corner of the eye and winging it out a bit. And I'm blending that out using a little bit of Charm, which is the orange in the palette. And then we're going to blend the top of Charm out with Safe Word, which is kind of a khaki color. Now we're taking Frosting, which is like a very light pale gold, and that's going to go on our lid area. Now I'm taking Androgyny liquid lipstick and just lining my waterline, and then we're going to take Fetish and Androgyny from the Androgyny palette and kind of just smoke that out a bit. I am also using that same liquid lipstick to do my brows. And just softening up the front of my brow using Androgyny eyeshadow. Now I'm taking this Pearl eyeliner by Romantic Beauty, and I'm just going over my brow a bit. This is going to give it a nice kind of sheen, metallic, pearlesque shine. I am also lining my eye using Seraphine Botanicals eyeliner pen and giving myself a little inner corner liner as well. Also taking this liner and putting it on the tail end of my brow just to give my brow a little bit more depth. Now we're going to do our lips, and I'm using Androgyny lipstick for this, liquid lipstick for this, and then we're going to go in with Hank & Henry's The Night Owl and kind of deepen up the outer corners of the lip. I'm also going to take that same Romantic Beauty Pearl liner and just add this to the lips as well, just to kind of make everything cohesive and yeah, kind of match. Now I'm adding some Bepilin lashes, and I felt like this look just needed something else, so I added some gems to my lower lashes as well as above my brow. And that is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.